Right, a top story at this hour, the Pooja Khetkar IAS fraud controversy getting murkier by the day as new details have now emerged. Trouble mounting for the IAS trainee as she could face termination if found guilty of forgery. It has come to light that Pooja tried to get her relative a clean sheet in a theft case as well. More in this report.
Under fire for allegedly faking her credentials, IAS trainee officer Pooja Khetkar now faces termination from service. Pooja is accused of submitting fake OBC non-creamy layer certificate and a fake physical disability and mental illness certificate. She was called multiple times for verification of her certificates but did not appear before the concerned authorities. The government has now formed a panel to probe Pooja Khetkar's credentials that will submit its report in 2 weeks' time. It has now emerged that Pooja Khetkar also gave an economically weaker section certificate, this despite her father, Dilip Khetkar, a VBS Neta, having declared assets worth 40 crore rupees.
सरकारने जी काही कमिटी त्याच्यामध्ये नेमलेली आहे मला वाटतं आपण सगळ्यांनी ते रिस्पेक्ट केलं पाहिजे त्या गोष्टीचा आणि माझं जे काही सबमिशन असेल मी ते त्या कमिटीला नक्की देईल मी त्या कमिटीला सांगेल बट मी तुमच्याशी बोलायला किंवा आता मीडियामध्ये बोलायला मी त्या बाबतीमध्ये ऑथराइज्ड नाहीये.
Not just Pooja, but VVIP arrogance of her mother is also triggering outrage. A new video has also surfaced where she is holding a pistol in hand and threatening a farmer. The charge is that Pooja's family tried to encroach the farmer's land, and when he objected, Pooja's mother reached there with bouncers and a pistol. Pooja Khetkar's case hit the headlines after she demanded special privileges that she wasn't even entitled to, like a red beacon on her private Audi car, a house and more stuff. But there's more. India Today has learnt that she even tried to get her relative a clean chit in a steel theft case, where she allegedly pressurized cops by calling the DCP to release the accused who was under arrest. Pooja Khetkar was transferred from Pune to Washim for her alleged misuse of power and for seeking privileges not authorized to IAS trainees. But it will take more than a transfer to set an example. With Omkar Wable and Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let's give you a sense of why is this trainee, IAS trainee, being probed essentially. What is the kind of fraud that has possibly been done? Number one, OBC, non-creamy layer certificate. That is an issue that is going to be looked into very, very closely. Was that fake? To be investigated. Also, this big claim, huge claim of being physically handicapped, mental illness and visually impaired certificate. That was submitted by her. That too is under the scanner of the agencies. That is going to be investigated as well. Also, the third claim made that she is from an economically weaker section of the society and that certificate was produced. That too is under the radar and that will be investigated as well. We have more news coming in. Let's take a look. Pooja Khetkar stays mum on mother's gun-toting video. Pooja's mother threatened farmer with a pistol. The trainee says, I'm not authorized to talk. Pooja Khetkar says will answer the government committee that has been set up.
सरकारने जी काही कमिटी त्याच्यामध्ये नेमलेली आहे मला वाटतं आपण सगळ्यांनी ते रिस्पेक्ट केलं पाहिजे त्या गोष्टीचा आणि माझं जे काही सबमिशन असेल मी ते त्या कमिटीला नक्की देईल मी त्या कमिटीला सांगेल बट मी तुमच्याशी बोलायला किंवा आता मीडियामध्ये बोलायला मी त्या बाबतीमध्ये ऑथराइज्ड नाहीये. सरकारने जी काही कमिटी त्याच्यामध्ये नेमलेली आहे मला वाटतं आपण सगळ्यांनी ते रिस्पेक्ट केलं पाहिजे त्या गोष्टीचा. अँड माझं जे काही सबमिशन असेल मी ते त्या कमिटीला नक्की देईल, मी त्या कमिटीला सांगेल. बट मी तुमच्याशी बोलायला किंवा आता मीडियामध्ये बोलायला मी त्या बाबतीमध्ये ऑथोराइज नाहीये.
Omkar Bable is getting us more details on that story, joining us live from Pune at this point in time. This video is dated 2023. However, it speaks volumes of the high-handedness of both, the mother here and Pooja as well. Pooja says that she can't comment on this, but the fact is that the mother has been caught twice on camera. One time threatening reporters, the second time Omkar threatening farmers there.
So basically, dispute is that the land, 25 acres of land that belongs to 5 brothers, and one of them sold it to the Pooja Khedkar, and Pooja Khedkar gave that power of attorney to her mother, Manorama Khedkar. So, but basically, issue is whole land is in litigation now. The matter is pending in the court. Court has not given any specific order, and documentation also not completed yet in the Tehsil office. Apart from that, FIR reports also pending in the whole case, but just because of misuse of power and just because Manorama Khedkar's husband, I mean the Dilip Khedkar used to be an IS officer, she encroached that land. She went there and threatened all those farmers with the pistol. She was trying to intimidate them all the time. It's been a year. I spoke to all those farmers. They are very scared. Literally they are trying to hide some places right now. So especially now they're coming out, they're speaking to media just because we have already highlighted this whole issue. But the main problem is, will they get justice after all this issue? Because the land, whole land has been encroached and acquired by the Manorama Khedkar, mother of this controversial probationary IS officer Pooja Khedkar. Second, why Pooja Khedkar is not ready to speak over the media? Look, we can understand she has to submit all the reports regarding her non-criminal issue and the disabilities, I mean the multiple disabilities quota from which she appeared UPSC. But at least you should speak about her mother. How can some IS officer's wife behave like this and acquire someone's land like this? And she was claiming that the paper, I mean she's claiming that the paper are on her name. But the farmer, when I spoke to the farmer, he was showing, even though the power of attorney has been transferred to the Manorama Khedkar, but the original owner of the land is different. Original land owner of the land is Pasalkar and the other, they are brothers.
Absolutely.
So still, even police are not going to investigate then. But now, just last point we have to go through. Now, Superintendent of Police has already called those farmers, and they are going to check old FIRs, and they'll most probably after India Today story, they are going.
Well, absolutely. Omkar getting in those details after what has been found as per the authorities who are looking into this case very closely. What about the assets? This essentially is being looked at as well. The entire family's assets and what they have faked. Let's take a look at what they have accumulated over a period of years. 110 acres of agricultural land is what the family has. Also, 6 shops and 7 flats is what the family collectively owns. The entire Khedkar family, the mother, father, and daughter Pooja Khedkar. 900 grams of gold and diamonds is what they have accumulated over a period of time. Also, gold watch worth 17 lakh rupees that Pooja Khedkar was seen wearing. Luxury cars, including an Audi car, 4 luxury cars is what they have. Also, partnership in 2 private companies is what the family essentially has. Pooja alone also has properties worth 17 crore rupees. Remember, she submitted a certificate saying that she belongs to the economically weaker section. Pooja's father cited 48 lakh rupees as the annual agricultural income. And she claims that she is from a weaker section of the society. Father's poll affidavit shows 40 crore wealth. This is the wealth that is declared. Imagine the wealth that wouldn't have been declared by this family. Pooja and father officially own 60 crore rupees in assets is what has been found as of now. Also, the probationary officer's power trip. Let's talk a little about that as well. How she's constantly gone into a power trip and what has been said. Essentially used private Audi with red, blue beacon light. Not allowed, but used it. Used the VIP number plate again. Not allowed, not entitled, but demanded it. Also installed Maharashtra government board on the vehicle. Something that she wasn't entitled to. Requested official car and accommodation. Insisted that she get that. Requested office chamber and additional staff as well. Something that she wasn't entitled to. Omkar, in fact, continues to be with us on that story. Omkar, several things that she had been asking for. All of these things that she as a trainee officer wasn't entitled to, isn't it?
Exactly. It's been 2 days, I'm telling everyone. The main issue and the main problem was, even before taking the charge of a probationary assistant collector, she started demanding all these privileges from the senior officers like collector and the resident collectors of the Pune. Interestingly, what she did, she started WhatsApping them rather than writing official letters. And when additional collector of Pune was on outstation, when he was in Mantralaya for additional charge, she acquired his antechamber for own purpose. When he got to know that someone else is using his antechamber, then he went to the collector's office. Then he wrote letter to the collector, and then everything came into light that some probationary officer has already encroached someone's cabin, and she entered into the same office, and that is why the whole matter came into the light. And finally, Suhas Divse, collector, who wrote letter to the chief secretary of the Maharashtra, and we can say she was shifted to the Waship.
Omkar, getting in those details from Pune, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us those details about the officer, the trainee officer in question, Pooja Khedkar, who's been seen to in fact be embroiled in a huge controversy. The question remains, when will she be sacked? Remember, a probe is currently underway.